Wood walks home.
Also, make sure to get one of his cards. They're really, really nice. They're made of wood.
Okay, hi guys, my name is Matija and I'm very happy to lead here to start a weekend Klagenfurt, a big group of high school students from the Entrepreneurship Club of Slovenia. Hey guys, I'm an entrepreneurship teacher, and the big idea that you need to present as an entrepreneurship teacher is MVP. So, we need to have a good tool to create MVPs, and simply enough, we use WordPress. WordPress for creating a website, but even that can tend to be very, very complicated. So we want to simplify WordPress to make it as a good editor for a single static page, with the ability to embed video, with the ability to embed PayPal, everything you need to present a product, to do a squeeze page, do a landing page, and simply we need Ruby developers to do it. So, thank you.
Enough for pitch number 9. Timer starts now.
Hello, my name is Nika, and I've got a question for you. Don't you hate it when you're trying to find the cheapest way to travel around the world and the internet only finds you the cheapest flights? But what if you want to travel by train or by bus or even by plane altogether like I do? Well, our idea is to combine all these transportations together to travel from point A to point B with bus, train or by plane. And we need to have designers and business partners to make the search engine that will combine all this transportation together. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Going to number 11.
Okay, hi, I'm Lora, and I will present you an idea. I mean, a lot of times I've encountered a trouble when we're just driving around some place in circles trying to find a parking spot, but it's nowhere to be found because it's full. And I think this problem is encountered by many people. So we've come up with an idea it's called a rent-a-park. You could, for example, there is a person who has a parking space in front of their house free for a couple hours a day when they go to work. So they would just rent it to a person that can't really find a parking in that area because it's full. It would be kind of a win-win situation for the owner because he would get paid, and also for the renter because he would have some place to stay, to park. So yeah, we would need programmers and designers.
Thank you very much, pitch number 11.